Gado ants.
Yeah, it's gone already. The ants is gone. Yeah, the ant is gone already.
The ant is swimming.
Oh my
Delicious.
God, I ate the ant in my stomach.
Is that you? It's been all right.
See the ants in my mouth.
I never gave up. Like green.
Funny.
Straight away.
Jolene, you look rich in your pajama.
You know, this is Victoria's Secret. Brand new.
I want you to meet an old friend of mine.
Okay, mommy and daddy will buy you more.
Get mouse.
Sure do.
Oh,
Mommy and
thank you, Lord.
mommy and daddy will buy you more.
Tata is so.
One more.
It's
One more.
yummy. The beef stick is yummy. It's yummy, right?
Gusto sa imot ang naging.
Hindi, tabagan usdot na.
Did you finish your
Naga.
food?
Finish food.
Are you full na?
Not finished.
Tama po?
Pastor.
Are you full? Are you full?
Ichi?
Finish your food?
Ay, all done.
All done.
Okay, all done.
Oh, wash your hands.
Later. May pork pa siya sa hands.
Wala na.
Just finish your pork. Alam niya yung P-I-Z-E-Z-A?
I did jump.
Don't jump when your stomach is full.
You sit down lang.
Yeah, sit down. Then you wash your hands.
No. Why?
Alin ma?
Go. Will fix siya. 58 lang sa akin. 98. Ito ginatrape pa natin.
Pabuksan ko sa guard. Ay, Julia.
No. Ay, aray. Mabuksan.
Mama, wash mo lang hands din. Oh, wash your hands na. You can wash your hands. Ay, ito, dirty na. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Ay, wash your hands. Wash your hands, baby. Ay, oh. You're so brilliant. So brilliant.
Anong sabi pala ni ng pinsan mo?
Ano?
Chibi?
Pinsan?